Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really positive about this video because like this one just came out, so I'm like, God wants me to do this video today. So yeah, in case you don't know me, my name is Maria, and yeah, so this video is going to be about video ideas that will make your channel go viral. Like, I always ask these questions and I get like suggestions. I try to get suggestions from my friends and stuff like that. So I've watched a couple of videos and I have actually researched on this, and I'm like, okay, these are the things that make you blow up, and I'm going to also using this on my channel too. So I'm just trying to help my fellow small YouTubers, and yeah, I'm here for you guys. So these are a couple of video ideas that will make your channel go blow up. Like, if you are in this stage where you don't even know what to do next, because I am always in that stage, I don't know what video to do next and stuff like that. So first of all, I advise having a notepad so that you can jot all these things down, so you will know, or save my video, either way, any way you want to. So like a couple of video ideas that will make you blow up are video ideas that will have a lot of watch time. In case you don't know what watch time is, like the amount of minutes someone watches your video, that like tells YouTube that okay, this video is interesting because they're watching this video to the end and a lot of people are watching the video, that kind of stuff. So like the amount of watch time, so these are like videos that can give you a lot of watch time. So first video I have is story time. So like a lot of people just want to hear what happened. Like it can be a childhood story time. This person was my neighbor, this thing happened in my childhood, or whatever. Or Uber driver, can be Uber driving went wrong, or he took me to somewhere else. I don't know. Like any story time, like people just want to know what's happening, like, and cure their depression. I know what's happening in your life. Like people just want to know what's happening. So like story times usually blow up because people want to know the ending. I mean, it's not going to be boring because like you're telling a story. Who wants to click out from a story? That kind of stuff, you get. So that usually blows up. Then we have room tour. Like a lot of people want to see your room. I don't know why they want to see your room, but so a lot of people want to see your room, how your room looks like, what you use in your room, what this is for, and stuff like that. So the next video idea I have is haul videos. I used to see this a lot, like try on hauls, like you go shopping for clothes, or you were selling clothes and you are showing the clothes out to your subscribers to see, or how you wear it and how you use them. People want to see that. A lot of people watch those kind of videos, so you can't do that. And make sure it's a try on haul. Like make sure you are wearing the clothes, because we don't want to be saying you do like this with the clothes. Like where's my business if you are holding the clothes like this? Like make sure you actually wear the clothes and like show us. Like you can even like tell someone to rate it. I used to see a lot of videos like that. This person rates my try on haul, this person rates my clothes, and yeah, you can do something like that. So the next thing I have here is transformation videos. Oh yeah, and for the try on hauls, it can be like a grocery. It doesn't have to be like clothes. It can be groceries, it can be makeup, it can be school supplies, it can be books if you're interested in books. It can be a book haul. So like anything, it can be collection haul, I don't know. Like just get creative and do something. Then the next thing I have is transformation videos. Usually all videos about makeup are transformation videos, because like you are changing from this to this. So that can be one. It can be your room transformation, it can be your living room transformation, it can be your bedroom transformation, it can be your bathroom transformation, it can be your house transformation. Like how people just want to see how we turned from this to this, like they're interested in that kind of thing. And people that do not have the, let's say, motivation, they don't have the motivation to do that kind of thing, or watching your video, they can be like, oh, let me just actually do this, let me try this because this girl tried this and stuff like that. Then the next video I have here is Netflix suggestions. A lot of people want to see like what movies to watch, especially in this quarantine season where we don't even know what to do with our lives. Like a lot of people want to see like shows to watch that will keep them busy and stuff like that. So that will bring watch time to your channel, and that will blow your channel. Then a lot of people will also want to see like what to do in quarantine, what you do to pass time, because we are not doing anything. Like, we are just in our houses and we are just like sitting down and sleeping. So like what you do can help me figure out what I would do to pass time. So that will also bring watch time. Make sure like to make sure all these videos you're making will be like creative, make it in your own way. And yeah. So the next thing I have, this one, this, a lot of people check for this because like a lot of people don't know what to do. Like the next video idea I have is YouTube tips. Like it can be how to get more subscribers. Like if you have a lot of subscribers, it can be, as a small YouTuber, you can be like what people did not tell you while starting YouTube. Like what you did not know how, like something you didn't know how to do, but like you researched and you found out how to do. You can just put that on your channel, and a lot of people might be researching on that kind of thing too that you actually researched about and you didn't know about. So like you can put that on your channel, and all those things go viral. So the next thing you can do is song lyric prank. This has been raining, like I don't know, I might try it. I don't know. Like when you use a song to like prank somebody, like probably chatting with someone with like a song, lyrics of a song, and like seeing their reply. Those videos might be nice. You can make them interesting, you can make it creative and stuff like that. Then morning routines, like I'm really sure a lot of people like this kind of videos. Like they want to just see what you do in the morning. That is basically what the video is about, and a lot of people like that kind of thing, so you can do that kind of video. Then another video idea I have is cleaning videos. A lot of people want to see you clean. As weird as that sounds, they want to see you clean, like cleaning my room out or cleaning this closet out. Like a lot of people want to see that kind of thing, so you can do that. The another video I have is like 24-hour transformation videos. It's under transformation, you can actually put it under transformation, but like 24 hours they want to see you show them how you transform your nails, how you do your makeup, how you do your skincare, stuff like that. Like 24-hour transformation, like how you transform yourself fully. Like a lot of people want to see that kind of thing. So the next thing I have is self-care routine. A lot of people want to see what you do when you want to just like give yourself an overall what is overall? An overall self-care. Like a lot of people want to see stuff like that, like so that they can know what to do to take care of themselves, like when they're less busy, especially in this quarantine season, like how they will take care of their soul, their mind, and their body, stuff like that. So you can do a video like that. So the next thing I have is what I eat in a day. I used to see videos like this, like, and I check them sometimes. So I see videos like this. Like probably if you're vegan, you can do something like that, like what I eat in a day, vegan edition or something like that. But like what I eat in a day to keep fit, or what I eat in a day to do this, like what I eat in a day to do that. Like just basically what I eat in a day. People want to see that and like try and use that in their own in aspect of like food for them to use, or food for them to get, like to eat. Like if it's a vegan edition now, a lot of vegan people might not know what to eat and stuff like that in terms of vegan, and your video might give them ideas on what to eat in terms of them being vegan and stuff like that. So you can do something like that. Or if it's a weight loss, what I eat in a day, like a lot of people want to know what to eat to like make them lose weight and stuff like that. Me personally, I cannot do that kind of video because I want to eat a lot of things. I cannot kill myself because of I cannot come and kill myself. But yeah, people want to see it. So the next video I have is weight loss videos. A lot of people want to see how you lost weight, how you went from this to this, or this to that, like what you used to lose belly fat, or what you used to do this and what you used to do that. A lot of people want to do that because they're in that situation of they want to lose weight, or they want to lose belly fat, or they want to, generally people want to like do things. Like basically any of these things are things that people are searching for, that they want to use. Like these are like, you're bringing value to your subscribers, you're adding knowledge to their brains. You're giving them knowledge. So like a lot of people want to see this kind of thing. Basically, if you want to make a video, you have to think like, do people want to see this kind of thing? Like, because that's what, at first when I first made my channel, I was doing a lot of stupid videos. I won't say stupid because like they were creative and stuff, but like I didn't think to see like, will people search for this? Like, will this help people? Are this what people are looking for? Like, I didn't research to see if this will blow up and stuff like that. So try and do your research and try and see how other people did their videos and stuff like that to help you. I don't know, but that helps. That really helps. That really helps. That's what has been helping me. So that really helps. Then. In aspect to the morning routine, there is also night routine. People will also see what you are doing in the night. As weird as that sounds, people do want to see that kind of thing. Then the next video idea I have is what's on my iPhone. Like, a lot of people want to see what's on your phone, what's on your iPhone, and how you use your apps, or what this app is for, or what the app is for on your phone, and stuff like that. So that is another video idea for you. So like, I'm giving you video ideas so you have things to do this quarantine. Like, make use of this period. Make use of this period. Yeah. So make use of this period. Then the next video idea I have is baking or cooking with me. Like, a lot of people want to see how you bake or how you make your stuff, like cookies or cake, or this person might not know how to make a cake, so you can show them how to make a cake. You know, like things that people are looking for, so as to increase your watch time, because they obviously need that kind of content, so they will watch to the end, and YouTube likes watch time, so win-win for everybody. You get what I'm saying? So the last video I have here, is this the last video? Yeah, the last video I have. The last video, okay, no, second to the last, sorry. The second to the last video idea I have is reorganizing. Like, you can do a reorganization video, like reorganizing my room, or reorganizing my closet, my wardrobe, or something like that. Reorganizing something. Like, people want to see how you reorganize and how you change your stuff in your room or in your closet or in your wardrobe and stuff like that. People want to see, so that they can do their own. So people want to see stuff like that. And the last video idea I have for today, the last video I have for today is wig videos. Like, people want to see how you install your wig or how you clean out your wig. I have a video on how I clean out my wig. Make sure you check that. And as for Netflix suggestions, I have a video on that, but mine is romantic videos, so if you're interested in that kind of stuff. But I'm also going to do another video about series and stuff. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure you check out my video, and my link is here. I will definitely link it up here, so make sure you check that out. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe if you like the videos I create, because it's gonna make me smile and it's free. Then make sure you hit the bell button beside the subscribe button, so you can like get alerted every time I post a new video. Don't you want to see more of this fine girl like me? So make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, that is the end of my video. I'm really happy this video has come to an end, and I'm really happy I helped you. So make sure you comment down below if you used my suggestions and if you've done certain things in this video. And yeah, goodbye.